My name is Shahnaz Alam Talukdar and I am from Bangladesh, and I am excited to apply to the Prague University of Economics and Business because I believe it is the perfect place for me to grow academically and personally. I have a bachelor degree in agriculture from Khulna University, which is a well-known university in Bangladesh, and I graduated with a CGPA of 3.78 out of 4. But right now I work at Nestle Bangladesh Limited as a nutrition channel executive, and I live in Dhaka, though my family home is in Pirozpur. The Prague University is famous around the world for its program in economics and econometrics, and I love that university because it has a diverse group of students, making it a great choice for my studies. The university basically offers a high quality education at a reasonable cost, which is important for a student like me, and I am very passionate about understanding global economic trends and how they affect politics and societies. I believe the university's courses and hands-on learning will help me gain the skill I need to make a positive impact in the field. And the master's program is an important step for my future academic and career goals. I want to study at a respective European university to gain the knowledge and skill needed to help bring positive economics and social changes to Bangladesh. And thank you for considering my application, and I am looking forward to the chances to join the Prague University of Economics and Business and start the exciting academic journey in that university. So thank you so much.